The umpire say let's play a slip in position for Gul Firoza. Here we go. Oh, his glove. There's a sound. Thigh pad, something. This time helping it on its way. Bad line and put away. Pakistan are off their mark with a boundary from the bat of Gul Firoza.
Will not allow them to be so generous to the batting side. This one has been clipped off the legs. A flick for 4. Wonderfully struck.
Sridhar will attack you. That's how she plays. Read the length pretty early.
First boundary. Once again short, and this time guided through point and covers. A chase for the fielder there, and she saves it. So only 2. Should have been or could have been 3.
Yeah, nicely worked away in the gap. This time more timing. She's got another boundary. Second in the over and 4th overall.
No chance for any one of those, and this time once again cut, this time in front of square. Another shot of authority, another boundary. Experience on her back. She outrightly attacked her, and this one is up in the air and the field is converging, but will be safe. Just drops in between, and quickly the batters turn round and complete a couple.
Just scooping that. Will be more runs here. Might not be a boundary because it's not well timed, but they'll surely come back. Easy 2.
Very close, very close. Given, yes, it looked close. Playing against the run of play. Sidra Amin was looking so good. Effie Fletcher, the leg spin. Oh, there's an edge. Definite, yes, gone. Another wicket down. Both openers back in the hut now.
That's a great catch from the wicketkeeper.
Got the start.
There's the recovery from Aisha Zafar. Only took 2 deliveries for her to open her account with a boundary.
Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant bowling. That's up and over. Yes, it is. So now it's working. Finally, it has worked, and brilliant. That's something Pakistan will have to deal with it.
Muniba seemed a little pressured. And just a little glance towards the leg side. That might go toward the boundary, but good fielding and good chase by Karishma. They're going for 2 runs, and this could have been a problem for Pakistan, but good running.
Just a nudge. Just moving across and opening up that onside and playing it very fine. And that's a really good stop. They might have a second look at that, but 100 out of 100 for the effort.
Improvisation by Muniba Ali, trying to get those boundaries from back. We'll have to see if that's a 4 or not, but 100 points for the effort, and just stop the ball from going to the boundary.
Oh yes, she's moved way too deep into the crease and trying to play it off the surface. Not fast enough hands there.
And this was coming for Pakistan. A much needed wicket for West Indies.
You know, Kainat, also the 2 hold-ups in place, just broken that momentum with whatever they had. They were hitting ball on bat, but then Stefari Taylor and then that boundary hold-up. Aisha Zafar goes for 7. Pakistan 3 down now for 54. Again, slogs that one. Dangerously played, but will give her the results. A boundary. Swept that against the spin and from in front of middle stump. That she's playing against the spin slogging. She wouldn't really mind. That has gone past slip. Gone past the captain very rapidly for a boundary. So back-to-back 4s for Nida Dar. More runs here. Can easily come back for 2. Oh, they didn't do that. Could have easily come back for 2.
It's a big strike, but it is in the air. It's not hit far, and it's been taken almost a collision. But West Indies got rid of Muniba Ali.
The pressure was building, and Muniba looked to ease that with the boundary on the last ball of this over. She tried to go big, did not time it at all, and that was a brilliant catch. It's never easy, you know, catching going back like that, and that's the end of Muniba Ali. She's got 18 of 20. It's 76 for 4.
Things seldom are straightforward. A bottom edge. Alia will get a couple of runs, but she got lucky here. It could have gone anywhere. They've got firm control of the game. A little sloppy there from West Indies. Dar will come back for the second, capitalizing on the mistake.
Job from here onwards, and this one has been struck down the ground and will go for a boundary. So important boundaries these from Captain Dar.
Got to be careful. Down the track, cuts beautifully through the gap. This should run down to a boundary. No, brilliantly done. That is commitment level 100% by the Windies fielders.
And this one is beautifully played over extra cover, and this time the fielder makes a ground, but will be an easy two. A wonderful stroke, good use of the feet, coming back from the ring, and that has made those little singles very easy. And this one will go for 6, I think. No, it's been taken on the line. It was well struck, well timed, but couldn't clear the boundary. So Pakistan lose their 5th, and the experienced Alia Riaz gets out.
Yeah, the connection was quite well, but hit it straight to the fielder, and very smart catch by Fraser. Everything was going just fine before this happened. 15 ball 12 for Alia. It's 104 for 5. Bowler, beautifully bowled, missed the line completely. Fatma Hassan, another big moment to get this wicket for Ramarak and West Indies.
This time a straighter one, and God knows what she was looking to do. No feet at all, just the hands going through the ball and just a little bit of spin.
Oh, yes, taken. Third one of the over. What a fantastic over this has been from Ramarak. 3 big wickets.
Well, cricket is such a sport. You never know what is going to come up. And the drama has arrived in this game. 3 wickets in this over. And the match has been turned upside down.
This delivery is going to be very vital. Oh, yes, they got one. No, not quite, but maybe it's all happening here. Maybe they'll definitely have a look at it again.
So it's leg byes given, and 2 of them. And this one has been hit over mid-on, and will be a couple of runs.
Everyone on the offside up in the circle as he plays straight down the ground. Oh, brilliant effort, but still they will take a couple of runs.
With the fielders on the boundary waiting, and this one has been beautifully struck. That's a great shot, making room and hitting it through the extra cover for 4. That is some shot under pressure.
Last delivery, 2 to get. Oh, beaten. Oh, she's run out. No,
West Indies
I
win
cannot believe
a direct
this.
hit, and they win the game by 1 run, and tremendous keeping there